Okay, folks, I am going to show you how to use the Destiny card catalog to look for a library book, which is going to be really helpful and really important to you as we use books and choose books for SSR. So we're going to start at the carlisleschools.org homepage for this district. And if you scroll over here to academics and you go down to library and over to high school library, and then over to Destiny Library Catalog. That's what we're going to do. So I'll do that one more time for you. Academics, library, high school library, Destiny Library Catalog. You click that link, you're going to pick which building you're in. All of you are at Carlisle High School with me. And this is our card catalog. So this is a great way for you to look for books for SSR or any time that you're wanting to look for a book that you want to read. You can search by keyword, by title, by author, by subject, or by series. So I'll show you a few different kinds of searches. Let's say as you're looking for a book, you know you love John Green. So you're going to type John Green. He's an author. Maybe you've read his books. You've read Looking for Alaska and you have read The Fault in Our Stars, but you are looking for another book by John Green for SSR. You type in his name, you click author, and look, these are all the John Green books that are in the library. If you look over to the right-hand side, you can see if the book is available. So one of one is available. So yes, you can borrow that book. So you could borrow An Abundance of Catherines, you could borrow The Fault in Our Stars, you could borrow Looking for Alaska, and these are all the John Green books available. That's one way. Now let's say you don't have a favorite author or a specific author you're looking for, but you know you want a book that is about that is a horror book, okay? Horror is your genre. You love Silence of the Lambs and scary movies and scary books and stuff like that. You can search horror and look at all these scary books that have come up. And if there's one that really sticks out to you, okay, this Gathering the Bones, that sounds spooky and interesting. You can read a little bit about the book if you click on it, okay? Ooh. You can do this with pretty much anything, right? You want a football book. Okay, here are all kinds of football books. This is a great way, and then obviously if there's a specific book you're looking for, if you're like, oh man, I saw Mrs. Park read A Burning this summer. I wonder if they have A Burning in the library. Nope, they don't have that book in the library. Oh well, no problem. And so that's just a really great resource for you. I really do recommend that you use Destiny as you're looking for library books, and then once you've picked your book, so if you're maybe looking for a dystopian series, okay, here we go. Here's 4 from the Divergent series. If you click on it, you see this call number. If you write this number down and you go down to the library and you tell Mrs. Weimer or Mrs. Bushy or any of the people who are down there, this is the book I'm looking for, they can help you find it. And then they'll check it out to you and you can read it during SSR time. Enjoy!